What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over the Mikoa, uh, the surface pressure washer, and right here we already did the unboxing. So we have the fins right here, and then we got the water outlet where the water goes out. We're going to hook it up to our new pressure washer that we love so much. All right. Now, I did the unboxing on this already, you guys. I will probably put that at the end of this video. If I remember to put it in the description, then I'll put it in the description. But we have this new pressure washer right here. Everybody's pressure washing their house, you guys. It's Easter weekend. If you celebrate, then happy holiday weekend. If you don't celebrate, then happy weekend. However you want to do it, however you want to say it. But we are cleaning up. So right now I'm cleaning out my basement stairway that I haven't cleaned out in many moons. So let's test this out right now. I'm gonna hit the trigger. Oh wow. This is good. Trying to get some edge. This is good, you guys. Oh, this is next level. This is next level, you guys. I'm telling you. Okay, it's going around. If you want to blow the water, just lift it up, blow the water out, or blow the dirt out. You guys, this thing works. This is I'm surprised. 14 inches. 14 inches. I should get another should get a bigger one than this one. This is good, you guys. Look at this. With no effort, I'm gonna do my whole front yard. Okay, so I see the corner you have to get. You see the corners? Just leaving a little line right there. Unless I can lift it up. Let me see. I'll have to put on a regular attachment, but wow, this is amazing. Look at that. That's insane, you guys. Wow. That, who do you need to hire? You don't need to hire anybody. This is good. I'm doing my sidewalk, you guys. I'm gonna do my sidewalk with this. I'm gonna feature this again, but this is amazing. I just wanted to show y'all that since I only did the unboxing, I wanted to show y'all this in action, but this is amazing. The bristles are hard right here, or the brush, whatever you want to call it. The brushes are very stiff. All right, but don't put that in your face and hit the trigger because you're gonna be upset. And that's about it. The rest I will have to do regular, but I did not know that this was going to be like this. Nice and easy. I'm not going to do my concrete because it's not flat. I think this only works good on flat surface. So with the walls and stuff, I just use the regular nozzle. But that's it, you guys. Fits right onto the pressure washer, nice and easy. Now I'm going to review their other one, so stay tuned. I would be dropping it right after this one or very soon. But the other Mikoa, the long extension, because I want to do my whole house, and with that long extension, we can do the whole house. But this is amazing. Look, it's clean. It is clean. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.